Hello class 2. How are you? You must be fine. I'm also fine. So, once again, I welcome you to our online video class. So, this is our grammar class. Today is the turn of grammar subject. So, who am I? This is your Shahu madam who is going to teach you your grammar subject. So, today is the time to learn the chapter number or unit number 6, that is adjectives or that is describing words. So before starting this subject, I just want to say or I just want to recall the previous lessons. So already we have explained sentences, the parts of sentences, then noun, types of noun, then verb, etc. etc. Today we are going to adjectives. If we will be able to understand completely regarding nouns, then it will be easier for you or it will be convenient for you to understand the adjectives. You know, students, so what is noun? Already we have learned noun is nothing, it is the naming words. All the names which are used or the words which are used for the names of places, animals, things, persons, etc. etc. Those words are called as nouns. Okay, students? Those words are called as nouns. So, to some extent, or you can say, or we can say that at least 90% of meaning of the meaning of the adjectives, it relates to the noun also. So very you should be careful about the noun. If you are able to understand the noun, then it is nothing or it will not take much more time to understand the adjectives. So let's start. Okay, students, let's start. Look, students, Peter is a fat boy. Okay, here is the picture of a boy whose name is Peter. And how he looks? He is a fat boy. So, Peter is a fat boy. Okay, second picture. Here is the man who is carrying a box. Okay, the man carries a heavy box. Okay, students, the man carries a heavy box. Okay, question that statement number 3. Here is a girl who has a dog whose color is black. So she has a black dog. Number 4. She had 4 balloons. Here is a girl who has hold balloons and the number of balloons is 4. Okay. Next, Mary had a little lamp. Here is a girl who is named as Mary and she has hold a little lamp. Okay, students. So you just look at these words: fat, heavy, black, 4, little. So why these 4 words have been written in blue color? Yes. One question should, in your mind, one question may arise. Why these words are in blue color? Okay. Before going to that section, I just want to ask you that in this statement 1, which is the nouns? You just identify the words which are a noun. Look, Peter is a noun and boy is a noun. But boy is a common noun, but Peter is a proper noun. But these 2 words are noun. Okay, students. So here the noun is the man and box. Okay, the man and box. So here is a noun is dog, and in this statement 4, the noun is balloons, and here the noun is Mary and lamp, because lamp is the name of animal and Mary is the name of a person. So now we have been able to identify the nouns. Okay, one common thing you can see. Can you see one common thing? Look, all these blue color words have been written before the noun. That noun may be proper noun or common noun, but these blue colored words have been written before the noun. Look, boy is a noun, dog is a noun, box is a noun, and balloons is a noun, and lamb is a noun. And before these noun, all these words have been written. That means, look, fat boy. You just leave these Peter is a. You just leave this part. Okay, students? You just leave this part. Fat boy. You just leave this part. Fat boy. Okay. Boy. How the boy looks? He is fat. What kind of boy? He is a fat boy. Okay. You just leave these things. Heavy box. What kind of box? It's heavy box. Okay. Dog. Black dog. What kind of what is the color of the dog? It's a black dog. Okay. How many balloons? 4 balloons. Okay. Little lamb. What kind of lamb? Little lamb. Can you understand? I think a little bit you are able to understand what I want to say you. Look, here these blue colored words, look, these blue colored words, they are trying to describe these nouns. Yes or no, students? So these are nouns: boy, dog, box, balloons, and lamb. These words are nouns, and the words which have been written before these nouns, they are trying to describe these words. What kind of boy? Fat boy. What kind of box? Heavy box. What is the color of dog? Black dog. How many balloons? It's 4 balloons. What kind of lamp? It is little lamp. So that's why these blue colored words are called as describing words. Why? Because or as these blue colored words, they describe the noun. And look, boy, box, lamb, balloons, dog. These words, blue colored words, they are describing nouns. That's why they are describing words. And in grammatical words, we are saying these describing words as adjectives. Are you getting my point, students? Yes. So always remember one thing. Adjectives, the other name of adjectives is describing word. Why? Because they describe the noun, and always these adjectives are written before noun. Okay, students? Always these adjectives are written in before the noun, as they are trying to describe the noun. Are you getting? Right now, I think you are completely able to understand what is adjectives. Let's read what in the book it has been written. In sentence 1, the word fat tells us what kind of boy Peter is. It describes Peter. Okay? So fat boy, it describes the boy whose name is Peter. Okay? In sentence 2, the word heavy tells us what kind of box the man carries. It describes the box. Already I have told to you. Okay, students? In sentence 3, the word black tells us what color the dog has. In sentence 4, the word little tells us of what size Mary's lamb was. What size? That means what is the kind of, or in other words, we can say what kind of lamb. Lamb is little or size. Okay. In sentence 5, the word 4 tells us how many balloons she had. The words fat, heavy, black, little, 4 describe boy, box, dog, lamp, and balloons, which are all nouns. They are therefore called describing words. Okay, students? Here, what kind of boy is? Fat describes. Here, what kind of box is? Heavy describes. Here, what color the dog has? Black describes. And here, how many balloons she had? Four, it describes the balloons. Here, what size of lamp Mary had? Here, little describes it. Okay, so that's why these are called as describing words, or these are called as adjectives.